Hi everyone, hope you people are doing great. Let me help you to understand how to make notes in the CLAT preparation. Reason behind this comes out to be making notes is a very important activity in case you have not done rightly, so your performance in the CLAT examination gets impacted, right? So making right notes is very important in the complete process of journey. Now let me take today's newspaper and help you to understand how to make notes. Now over here I have with me the 6th April 2025 newspaper with me, fine. And first page, it deals with India's Prime Minister visit to Sri Lanka. So I will be, first is that you read the complete set of news, all the news which is pertaining to that paper, and then you sit with your notebook, make a thick notebook of GK so that you have only one GK thick notebook which you keep on for the next 6 to 8 months and take care of your preparation. Over here I am going to write down the president of Sri Lanka name, who is Aruna Kumar Disanaik, and I am going to pause there for a minute and I am going to look at that person picture so that it gets print in my brain. Fine, that is how you prepare for GK. GK is not just writing, you have to create an impression in the brain as well, right? So first page I find only this is the relevant aspect and this I am going to jot down in my notebook. Then as my practice I move to the world news. After the first page I move to the world news. In the world news they have covered good part of the information, but at the same time not many things is important. Reason behind this comes out, they have discussed about some of the issues. Issues are not important from the CLAT perspective because CLAT is an objective based examination, so they will be very binary in nature. So take an example, I think in the top of this you have the Iranian president name being given. Again I am going to write down that in my notebook, and I am going to again spend some 30-40 seconds by looking at the picture of that gentleman so that I am able to memorize that. Also on the right hand side you have this Myanmar earthquake where India has started an operation of humanitarian relief, right? And this operation has been named as Brahma. Right, this is an important question from the CLAT perspective. So any operation being done from India to provide some assistance to the other countries, this becomes an important question. So the same way you might remember that when Russia-Ukraine war has happened, we have to get back all our students back to India, we started Ganga operation, right? In the same way this operation also becomes an important from an examination perspective. Then if you look at in Hindu, then they on Sundays usually they give you profile, fine. So you can also spend some time towards knowing all the profiles, but over here there is one profile which is important from examination perspective. They have given the junta leader who is there in the Myanmar right now. His name is given. Again spend a minute of time towards looking at the picture of that gentleman. Then comes to the most important. Every Sunday the Hindu gives you FAQ section, which is basically comprising of the 3 important topics, fine. Now in this case there is one topic which is directly related to the Indian context, which is nothing but the Waqf bill which has come up, right? In this Waqf bill, just look forward to writing down 3 to 5 important points which they have discussed from the legal perspective, right? Again you don't have to look at writing all the essays pertaining to the opinions and all those stuff. You have to just look at writing the facts. This is how you prepare your notes. In any of the days your GK notes should not go beyond 3 to 5 points. Every day you just capture 3 to 5 points and keep adding to it. If you keep adding to it, what will happen is that look at after 6 to 8 months you have approximately 30 into 5 is 150 into 8, if you do some 1200 points you have, and you can keep on adding to it, and you are having a very good preparation base for your general knowledge, right? But remember that in legal, look forward to writing those legal parameters, not the issue based aspect of that, right? Thank you so much. Hope this video is helping you.